Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about Python Pandas project for beginners to do a simple student work analysis. To build this analysis, data analysis, the workflows, what we follow is like loading your data and cleaning. The data is the basic process, but computing new columns and filtering the results, summarize or visualize. That's the general idea about Pandas, how it deals for the pipeline. But in this use case, what I took example is like simple data creation using a dictionary, and after creating a dictionary, converting the dictionary into data frame. Once the data frame is ready, that's a two way of handling the data using pandas libraries. One is series, the other one is data frame. In this case I'm using data frame. So once the data frame is ready, so you will see the two-dimensional way of data outlook. From that outlook, we are going to add an additional column for our computational purpose. Okay, the new column like total marks, average marks, and determining based on the data what we have is whether the student is pass or fail, and finally filtering how many students have passed, how many students fail. Those That is about the project we are going to cover it. Okay, let me quickly jump in. So to demonstrate, I'm using a Jupyter notebook with a small piece of code. Okay, so let me dive in. So if you see my screen, okay, so this is my Jupyter notebook. The first thing is pandas as pd. This is the library I have it. Then the next step, like I mentioned, I'm creating a data using a data dictionary. So for this case, what I'm introducing is like first set of data is name, okay, with a list. Okay, introducing student 1, student 2, student 3. Okay, then subject like max, okay, with a list 50, 70, 80. Then science, okay, 55, 75, 85. Then the subject I'm just adding is 58, 78, 90. So my dictionary is ready. Now the next step is to create a data frame using data pandas library. Data frame, I'm just calling the dictionary now. So my data frame is ready. Now we can test it whether the data frame is giving the result. Okay, my results is ready now. So now the next step is okay, let's try to add all the marks. Okay, so I'm adding a new column, okay, called total. So in this total, what I'm trying to do is max. So all students max, like, then I'm using column science, all marks I'm trying to add it. Then history marks I'm just trying to add. So basically the total of each student's marks scored in max, science, history I'm trying to uh, add as means like students total I'm adding in the column. I'm creating a column with total. Okay, then the next thing is I'm trying to do a average for each student. Okay, so do that, like whatever the column we created earlier, right, like total. So simply we are dividing by 3, we will get a average. Okay, now if you try to run and check it out, okay, now we will see. Okay, now we can see, correct. So Okay, that's it. Now uh, I'm going to try. I'm going to find who the passing criteria. So the passing criteria, what I'm trying to give it is like the based on the average. So greater than 60, I'm just trying to ensure who and all passed. Correct. So now the third column also got created to find which student based on the average. I'm trying to determine whether it's passed or failed. Now let's try to understand. Okay. Now the data is ready. Okay, with pass and fail. Now the finally, if I try to try to filter it like who and all pass, right? Like, so this is how we can do that. If you try to do that, we can filter it out only pass. Like if you want to do with, we want to filter uh, only the failed student. Okay, based on the average. Okay, this is like you have to give the negative symbol. That's how from the data from the particular column we can easily filter out with a boolean expression. Okay, this is the quick idea about the student mark analysis project, like how what are the things we have learned so far. Introducing the pandas for data analysis, like tabular data we can easily analyze for uh, uh, correct. That's our first step, this library we introducing. Then we are creating a data dictionary, and the data dictionary covers the name, the student information it covers, and the student's mass code in each subject we are capturing in two-dimensional way. Once the dictionary data is ready, then we are trying to create a data frame which is available through pandas library, right? So this is it. Once the data frame is ready, we are trying to create additional columns like the total. It's like addition of max, science, history, these three subject marks for each student wise. Then we are trying to average it out based on the total for the three subject. Then based on the average, if the average is greater than 60, we are adding a new column called pass to produce a boolean expression true or false. Correct. Based on the boolean expression, we are trying to identify passed or failed students easily. So this is the quick analysis how we can do with the uh, using pandas and python. Correct. Like okay, hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach me out and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.